Shall I read one more? Yeah, this is my favorite. And the title is Let Her. Don't keep her in your shadow. Don't save her from gloom. Let her go beyond the shallow. Flowers need sunshine to bloom. Oh my god, Hello strangers, welcome to Stranger Story. My name is Falak and on this channel I talk lifestyle. So this time I have come with a wise advice, wise recommendation, wise book, something which is very emotional, something which is connected to the nature, and it is none other than this book. The name of this book is Beads in a Pearl String, and it's written by author Arpan, and it's a beautiful book and you should definitely read it. If you're not fond of reading much, like big paragraphs, then this is definitely for you, because see, this book contains somewhere around 60 to 70 poems, and they are very short poems. See, I'll just have a look. This is one poem out of those 70 or 60 poems. Why I suggest you reading this is they actually touch your soul, they touch your heart, and they are written with a very good thought process, I would say. So this book is based on nature, it's based on human emotions, it's based on people who are not really extroverts, people who are introverts. We all, somewhere down the line, we are introverts. Not every time we are party freaks. Sometimes we are not able to convey our emotions, but this book is definitely something which helps us to understand ourselves, understand our emotions, and also understand somebody else's emotion. So I would recommend it to somebody who is fond of reading real stuff, who is fond of reading something which touches you, which shakes you up. So let me just read out the best poems which I found in this book. The title of this poem is Forgotten. It says that created as humans, we strived and conquered everything. We sought and got everything. We aspired and became everything, but forgot to be one thing, which is human. So it actually touched my soul. It's so nice, yaar. Let me read out one more for you. Logged. The title is Logged. It says, lock away your ideas, they won't accept them. Lock up your emotions, they won't respect them. Conceal your heart, they will break it anyway. Show off your soul, they don't need you but your existence. Oh my god. So yeah, this one I would like to read. It's a letter written from an introvert. So some people are introverts, some are ambiverts, some are extroverts. I myself am an ambivert. Ambivert is a person who is sometimes an introvert, sometimes an extrovert, according to the situation. So we adapt. So there are times when we all become introverts, because not always we share our emotions and thoughts with our friends or family. There are times when we hide behind our pillows, behind the walls, and we are not able to convey our real emotions. So for those times, this is a perfect match. So I read it and I was like, this is me. And I'm sure when I'll start reading it, you will be like, yeah, this is me. This is you, actually. Yeah. So it says, to my pillow which saw more tears than my friends, to my teddy whom I hugged more than my mortal, to my favorite books which damped with tears, to the diaries which carried all my rants, to the notepads which let me vent out in doodles, to the store's rooms which heard my most cries, to my paintings which turned to modern art of woes, to the inanimate objects who were there when humans left me. I fall short of words for all your understanding. Thank you for always being there, and I hope you remain so. Yours truly, a mortal introvert. Now, we all have cried at some point or the other. And this letter is not about crying. This poem is not about feeling sad or lonely. This is about expressing what you're feeling, accepting that yes, I'm feeling sad and I have felt sad in the past, but so what? So it's part of life, it's part of the emotions. So all these such poems are written in this. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classifications. So one part of the book is about nature and human paradox. Second is road to love. Third is the odd one. Fourth is the women, and fifth is gratitude and admiration. I am really thankful to the author of this book for writing this. I just read it, to be honest. I read this book in one day, but I'm sure that I'll keep on reading it every other day. If you want to contact the author of this book, I will be sharing the link of her Instagram account probably, and also you can find this book on Amazon. You can give it a good read. Yeah, one more thing I wanted to share, guys, that yes, guys, you need to subscribe my channel. You should subscribe and then watch more stories, more updates, and let me know if you have anything in your mind. You can comment below, and take care. Bye bye.